What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and if you like making money, you are at the right channel. Daily Cash Stocks. I am Lloyd Phillips, your host. Today's topic is a big one here. We want to teach you guys how to buy low and sell high. Too many of you guys are chasing stocks, paying too much money for them. Then they go down. Then you're mad. You're pissed off and saying a stock sucks because you bought too high. Let's get these stocks at a discounted rate. Just how you do when you go shopping. You know, when you go shopping, you want to make sure you get your clothes, your shoes, whatever, your car. You want to make sure you get that thing on sale. All right. You don't want to pay premium. You want to get it on sale, right? So that's the same thing that we want to do for the stocks. All right. Now, remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy who wants to help you out. You know what I mean? Who in the last 3 months, you can see plus 3K. All right. That's still a little down from what I had before, so it's not that much. But over the last year, I've been trading for a year. I'm up 13,000. So, can't be mad at that. Still slight, still got a lot of work to do. But I want to help you guys out. So I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to help you guys out. Give you guys some tips, some do's, some don'ts, some things that I learned, while I've been trading. So let's get right into the video, all right? Now, we're going to give an example. I just gave out a couple weeks ago my top plays for the summer. All those plays are killing, especially my number one play, my baby, my boo thing, my first love, NIO, the car company that's in China, kind of like Tesla, electric vehicle. Sorry, but yes, NIO. So, just want to go through this. So, a lot of times what happens is, and this was me, my first year of trading. All right, I was into a couple of groups. I had a family group, and I had a group that I was on I think it was on Discord, where they give you plays and different things like that of stocks that are hot to hurry up and jump on and kind of like day trade. And the thing is soon when I see that stock, I wouldn't do no research on it. I would just see that, it was a, good play and a lot of people were buying it and pumping it. I'd hurry up and jump on it. And let's say like today, if it was NIO, I hurry up, I jump on at like, $53. All right. And thinking that it's just going to keep going up. People's pumping it, saying it's going to go to $55, $60, or whatever the case may be. And then it immediately starts to go down like you see right now. It's at $52.85. And who knows, by the end of the week, it could be back under $50, right? But the thing is you can't chase a stock. Shout outs to my cousin, Lamont Smith. He always says, buy on red days. Buy when the market is bloody. All right, what does that mean? That means when the market is down, when certain stocks are falling, that is when you get the discounted price. All right, so a couple of months ago, if we look 3 months ago, the stock market kind of went down. A lot of stocks went under, even good stocks. A lot of stocks went down. So if you have some good companies that you have in mind, put them on your watch list. All right, don't just because I told you to buy it or because someone else told you to buy it, or even if you got something from somebody that said, hey, this is a good company, or you've been looking at different companies. Put them on your watch list, see how they're growing, do some research, do your due diligence, and find out, is it a good stock? And once you find that out, all right, now let me see where the floor is. All right, let me see where the floor is. And what I mean by that is if we go through here, NIO for the year is at $52. I would say the floor for NIO was at about $40. All right, it was in that 40 range to 50 range, hit up to 60. Got rejected at 60 and then came back down to that 50, $55 to $45 range. That was just kind of the base in there, and then it kind of went under that. So the next floor was 40. Then it went all the way down to 30. All right. Now I felt comfortable, like I said in my last video, if you could have got under 40 or get in at somewhere between 45 and under, I thought that was a comfortable buy for NIO. But let's just say, like I said, if I bought today high and it goes back down, into the 30s, I'm mad. I'm saying NIO sucks or whatever the case may be. But that's not necessarily the case. I just need to be patient, first off. But the thing is if I was patient, all right, and got in when the market was red and things were going down, all right, if we look at a year, this is where NIO was at. It was at 53 and 41, hanging out in that 50 to 40s, and even hit, a high of 62. So if you bought there, you're still trying to wait to get out the mud there. But if you hit 38, 35 here, then went all the way down here at 31 at that floor right there, and then ever since then, in May 13th, it has been, have bounced off of that and been going up. And I think it'll continue to go up. I think it'll test this high of 62 and go a little bit beyond that. They just had some good news. There's a lot of different things going on with it. So I think this is still a great stock. Like I said, put it on your watch list, watch it and see. And this goes for all kind of other stocks. Watch it, because if you could have got in here, you're doing great, right? You're up about $22 a share on this company just from May to June. All right, so about a month and a half, you're up $20 a share. And so that's what you want to do. You don't want to just hop on anything, buy anything because someone said or because it's trending up in the right direction. You want to make sure you put it on your watch list, watch it, and on a red day when it goes down, something happens, whatever the case may be, you see the market is kind of in, agreement that the market is moving in a downward pattern. Wait for that to, clear, because sometimes you can buy the dip, and then the dip just keeps dipping. You don't want that to happen. I've had that happen to me, but find that place where you feel and yourself on the research that you've done, hey, this is a great buy at this price. Like I said on my video, my top 3 stocks, NIO was one of them. Hey, anything under 40 is good. All right, if it dips a little lower, I can always buy more. All right, but I'll place in a small, $500 there, and if it goes a little lower, I'll buy some more. If not, I could buy some more at 42. I'm not too worried about that $2 difference, because I think it's a good buy. So just like I said in my last videos, you don't always have to put it all in at once. So if you would have put in $500 at 42, and then it dipped down some more because you're like 42 might be a little high. Let me see if it goes a little bit down a little bit more because of the downward trend that we've been having with the market, and then you put in another 500 at this $31 mark or $33 mark, you're sitting good at probably about a $36, $35 average. So now, and you're still up, good gains, and hopefully it continues to go up. So this is one of my things. I want to get into some more things about selling. Like I said, you want to buy low and sell high. All right, buy low, sell high. But I wanted to get into this a little bit deeper. If you guys have any questions, make sure you hit that comment section. Make sure you like this video, share this video, man. Let's try to get this video to over 50 likes, man. But if you guys need anything else, hit me up in the comment section. That is all I have for this video. I hope you have a blessed day. I'll be back with another video shortly. Peace.